Hello dear students. Before I start my today's topic, I want to show you one or two examples. See here, this is Google map for say Delhi, New Delhi region, and numbers are given here and those same numbers are given here. If I click on a particular number, the information about that place gets opened. Even you can see the GPS location of that place and the website which is having some information about that place is also displayed. If I click on another number, say this Lotus Temple, you can see the GPS location as well. If I click on 15, that is Sri Lakshmi Narayan Temple. So as and when I click on any number, you can see some shape is generated over here. See, if I click here, actually it is in white color. Can you see a white circle over here? Yes, I will click here. Can you see now the white circle? Okay, what this is actually means I will tell you later. Let's quickly go to another website that you all must be familiar with this lady. Can you guess? Yes, J.K. Rowling, the famous writer of Harry Potter book. Now see, this is her personal website having some information about her and about her writings. This is very beautiful website. You must visit the website once and you can understand how beautifully it is designed. I normally tell you about CSS to beautify your website, then use the different positioning attributes, some new elements, some selectors. All those things are beautifully used here. If I click on some particular thing, the new link is opening. For example, if I click on just on this book, okay, this is her diary I guess, and the new page is open. That is, this is all about her writings, new books and the books published by J.K. Rowling. I'll go back. I'll show you some interesting things from this website. See, this is what she must have written something and later on she might have find it unuseful. So this is her garbage. The thing which is related to that is also linked. Then next, cup with the light, and if I click here, the Lumos, that is where Lumos organization, which is related to Harry Potter book, it is being opened. This is how her website is very interesting, and the regions are like you can click on a particular thing and you will get some extra information about that thing. Now here also one link is there. How I can judge that there is link? When this anchor sign comes. Can you see here? Yes, so I can click here and the information related to this, yes, fantastic bits and where to find them. So the information about this, that is the original screenplay of Harry Potter book, is here. So I personally love this website because it is having so much of CSS and it is having the linking. It is having some image linking, it is having some hotspots with links. So this is one website which I know having some linking on it. One thing I want to tell you that these links, I mean this is not a separate image or this is not a separate image. This is entire one wallpaper. And on that wallpaper, these links are being created with the help of hotspots. The clickable regions where I can click and some another page gets opened are called as hotspots. in image mapping, and this entire concept is called as image mapping. The page is being mapped, or the region on this page is being mapped and linked with some another web page with the help of mapping concept. So today we are going to see image map in HTML5, image with multiple hyperlinks. That is what today's topic is all about. So let's see client side image mapping in HTML5. First of all, we will understand what is the purpose of image mapping. The basic purpose of image mapping is to connect links to different regions on the web page or any other URL. Secondly, it is also used to provide an easy way of linking. Instead of linking on some text, if such kind of regions are given on website, then it is quite interesting, and again I say that it is just to beautify your website. Then next is to perform different actions depending on where in the image you click, and last to mark certain regions on an image which are clickable. This is very important sentence, that is, these clickable regions are called as hotspots. Yes, these regions are called as hotspots. There are two types of image mapping. One is client side image mapping and second one is server side image mapping. In our textbook there is client side image mapping. So in our syllabus we are going to see what is client side image mapping. Let's see some important tags for image mapping. First tag is image tag, that we all know. We have used img tag in standard 11, but we have not used this use map attribute. So the tag is not new for us, but this use map attribute is new for us, which we are going to use for this image mapping. Secondly, the map tag, which is entirely new element. We will see the attributes of these tags also. And third, that is very important tag, that is area tag or area element. So these three are important elements as far as this image mapping is concerned. First img tag with use map attribute, then map tag, and then area tag. Now we will see some attributes of these tags. First, let's see img tag. The first attribute we all know, that is src, to include image. Here I have given one example, that is img src is equal to flower.jpg, that is this flower.jpg image will get displayed on my web page. Then alt attribute, that is to give extra information or some alternate text regarding my image. Here I have given that alt is equal to rose flower. Then third one is very important, that is use map. The value for this is going to be the name of the map. See here in the example, img src, that is flower.jpg, and use map is equal to #fun. Now one thing you have to take care, that use map attribute value is going to start with #symbol. The name, you can give any name which you are going to give in map tag, but before that name #symbol must be there. So remember this, that the use map value starts with hashtag followed by the name of the image map. Then the next tag, that is map tag, you can see it is a paired tag or container tag having closing tag. Map tag is having only one attribute which we are going to see, that is name, and the value is going to be some name. Here I have taken this fun as a name, and if I go back to my img tag, here the same name I have used. So one thing you have to take care that whatever name you are going to give under this map tag, that is map attribute name is equal to value fun, the same value should be there as a use map value with hashtag. Remember this very carefully, otherwise you will not be able to connect the image with the help of hotspot. Let's see third important tag, that is area tag. First attribute is href and value for this is name of the URL or any local file. You can see here the example area href is equal to, I have given here google.com. So whenever the user click on a particular region which I am going to define, google.com website will get opened. Then next attribute, that is shape attribute, having three different values: rect for rectangle, circle for circular image, and poly for polygon. These are the three values, and here are examples. Area href, which we have seen, then shape is equal to poly, rect or circle. Then third attribute, that is alt attribute, having some text. It works similar how it works with img tag, specifies extra information about the clickable area. You can see here that area href http google.com and alt, under the alternate text it is mentioned that click here to open Google page. Next attribute, that is coords. Again, very important attribute. Without this attribute, the hotspot creation is not at all possible. So this is also important attribute with area tag. Coords, we are going to define coordinates, how we will see in our live example. Specifies the coordinates of the area. Here you can see that area href shape rect and 1 2 3 4, that is 4 coordinates are given. For shape is equal to circle, 3 coordinates are given, and shape is equal to poly, 6 coordinates are given. So we will see how to give these coordinates or how to get these coordinates in our example. Here some explanation about the coordinates, that is how to take these coordinates. For rectangle, we are going to take top left and bottom right corner coordinates. For circle, we are going to take the middle point coordinates and radius. And for third shape, that is polygon, we are going to take all the coordinates of the edges. Don't get confused. We will see example and you will understand how to draw these coordinates. Okay, so we will see the next slide, that is 4 steps to create client side image mapping. Very simplifiedly I have given here 4 steps. Just you have to follow these 4 steps and your image mapping is ready. What are they? First, you have to select one image. Okay, then you are going to open that image in Paintbrush or Photoshop or any other photo editor software. Irfan View is also one photo editor software. You can use that as well, but normally we have Paintbrush in our PC, that is default software, or you can use GIMP, which we have seen last year. Then third, you are going to get the coordinates by clicking on particular region on that image, that is X and Y coordinates. And last, we are going to include all those coordinates in our HTML document. So we will quickly go and see how to perform this practical using Notepad and how to see the output using any browser. I have some images downloaded here. You can see some images with JPG format. You can download images from free sources. I am going to mention the sources where you can find all these freely downloadable images. See, I have downloaded 4 to 5 images from those websites. Now I will quickly go to my notepad. Here I have basic structure of HTML program with HTML head, title, title close, head close and body. As we have seen in the PPT, first of all I am going to include image with img src, name of the image with alternate text, that is alt is equal to something, and use map attribute. Don't forget, use map attribute with hashtag. Okay, I will select one image. I'll go to my folder and I will select this image. Say Goody is the name of the image and it is having JPG format. I will select this image and I will type the name of the image here as goody.jpg, and you can give in the alternate text, that is festival image. I will save this. Image map.html, and we will open this image map.html file using Google Chrome. See, my image is here. So till here my program is okay or perfect. Now I will add next tag, that is map tag. 3 tags we are going to include in this program. One is img, second is map, and third is area tag. So I will give here name is equal to say festival, and as I told you, you have to give the same name as use map name. So better to avoid any mistake, I am just copying and pasting it over here. So you have to be careful that this name is case sensitive. So if you are giving this in small letter, then same name should be there as use map. So here my map tag is over. It is paired tag, so /map, and next, that is area tag. Area with, I will take first attribute as shape is equal to circle, then coordinates, that is chords, but I have to draw the chords, so I'll just give blank space, and then third important tag, that is href, where to link. I'll give here http://www.google.com alt, that is to give information. This is done for one shape, that is circle shape. We will see all these shapes one by one. First of all, we will see how to draw this circle shape and how to get these coordinates. I will save this, and you can see there is no much change in my output as I have not done anything. I will open this image file in Paintbrush. Open with, you have to right click on the image and then open with Paint. I will take circle shape from here. This is oval shape actually. You can take this shape and you can draw circle. For circle, I have to take center coordinates. Now how I am going to get the coordinates? You can see here at the bottom. If I move the cursor on the image, look here at the bottom, the coordinates are moving, that is x and y coordinates are moving. Can you see? Those are in pixels. what I will do, I will first take this line diagram, okay, and I will go to the center of the circle. So at the center you can see the coordinates here. Observe the coordinates. I will draw a line so that I will get radius. So the center point was 452 and 142. What you have to do is you have to write it down, so there is no any confusion. 452 and 142, and the coordinates for this radius 533 and 142. 533 and 142. The center points were 452, okay, and 142. Radius point 533 and same, that is 142. So what I am going to do is I am going to deduct 533 minus 452. So I will get 81 as my radius. I will get 81 as my radius. So I am going to type coordinates for the circle as 452, then 142 and comma this 81. Let's see, 452, 142 and 81. I will save this. Let's see whether it works or not. Cross your fingers. I am refreshing this. Okay. Now see, if I press tab key, you can see the circle appears. Can you see? Yes. And if I place the pointer here, and if I click on the pointer, or if I click on this region, anywhere on this region, then what should get opened? See the program. What should get opened? Yes, google.com. Okay. With this, I have successfully created the shape for circle. Now we will see the next shape, that is area shape is equal to rect. For rectangle shape, chords I am going to set from my image, and then href is equal to name of some website, and then alternate text, that is click here for more info. Now I will open the file again in paintbrush. Open with paintbrush, and what I will do is I will draw rectangle on this lady, that is the sari of this lady. Okay, let's make it some interesting. Okay, I will draw rectangle on the sari of this lady, and I will take the coordinates. Now remember, you have to take the upper left coordinates and lower right coordinates. That means these two coordinates we are going to see, or we are going to note down, and these two coordinates. So here are the two coordinates are 594, 394. I will quickly type it. 594, 394, and the lower right coordinates. The lower right coordinates, that is 966 and 716. So 966, 716, and I will add a website called as onlypaithani.com. Okay, onlypaithani.com. So when user will click here for more info about Paithani, I will say, and let's refresh my web page, and I will press tab key from my keyboard, one tab key, so this shape is there, and another tab key, that is this shape. So without pressing tab key also you can identify that here when this pointer symbol comes, that this is hotspot, and this is also one hotspot from where I can go to another website. I will click here, and yes, it took me to the website onlypaithani.com. So I have linked my web page to another web page using hotspot. So I clicked on this region, that is particularly this region, and if I click here, then the website which I have mentioned in my program, that is onlypaithani.com, is here. Okay, now let's see the third shape. Area shape is equal to poly coordinates. I will take the coordinates from paintbrush and then href. I will add one website here, that is based on Indian festivals. You will see the output. Okay, let's quickly go to the image now. So here is my image. I will take polygon. This is my polygon shape. So I have to take coordinates of each edge. So I am going to take coordinates of this edge, and this edge as well. So x and y coordinates of this point, and this point. Now you all know how to see the coordinates. These are here. When I move the cursor, you can see the coordinates are also changing. So I will take the coordinates of these 3 points. These are 538, 205, 538, 205, then 438, 587, 438, 587, then last, that is 136, 423, and by mistake I have given 2 double quotes over here. I will remove one and I will save this, and let's see the output. I will refresh this. I will press tab key, one tab, second tab, and third tab. Here the shape appears, even if the shape is not there, but the anchor tag is there. So I will click here, and you can see the festival information appears. So this is how you can connect the page with the another page using hotspot on the image. I have created another example just to show you how it works. Let's see the output first, then I will show you the program. This is my image and the 3 links, 1, 2 and 3. And when user clicks here, you can see video practical. Here it is more about video cameras, and here it will direct the user to my channel. If I click here, it will take me to my YouTube channel where I have, so these are the same attributes where I have this video. Then if I click on my photo, it will take me to my channel. Then if I click on this video camera icon, then it will took me to Sony video camera website. So this is how linking is done, and this is how image mapping is done. I hope all your doubts are clear now, and you can practice this with the help of more and more images. You have to be careful while taking the coordinates. Once you are perfect with the coordinates, then your image mapping is going to be very correct. Till then, bye for now. See you in next video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Have a healthy life. Bye for now.